Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Düsseldorf, and this is the day when sales are made. This is the second Saturday of the event. If you don't make sales today, you're probably not going to make them at all. So I want to show you this vehicle here. It's an electric camper van. It's on the Ford Transit basis and comes with all sorts of possibilities. Now there you go, see it says 100% electric, that's pretty clear, and this is there's the bad news. It's 129,000 euros. This vehicle has a very attractive layout in my opinion. I have video of it on the diesel version, but now what you're going to get is the electric version. And come to the back, and there's the washroom, large washroom, 6-meter camper van, toilet, sink, and look at all that space around. Lots of space in here. This company, MTC, makes specialized vehicles, and got a very large facility at Bingen and am Rhein. I didn't see my video from there because I went there a couple of years ago. This Dometic fridge. Now they've electric heating from Can, induction heating. We've got here, there is the there's the sink, and that's just falling out. I'll leave it there so people can find it. And storage down here as well. It's very high quality storage, I have to say. It looks as though there's a light. There isn't actually a light on this, but it looks as though there's a light on this. Here from the control, you can see what's going on. Not only can you turn your lights on and all the rest, you can see how much battery power you've got left and how far you can go. Electric USBs. You've got shore power for when you're on hookup in there. We've got more storage around here. I think we've got a very attractive look to it. Now the bed is here, and so that comes down and lies on this, giving you a lot of space, not only above but also below. Now I want to demonstrate how much space there is in this vehicle. Okay, I've got my head over there, you can see like that. It's a bit bent over, but it's not too bad. It could be much worse. And in the Ford though, the Ford's got so much space in it, which I think is a very positive thing. There is a look at the amount of space you got in the bench. This can also be made into a bed should it be necessary. I think trying to put 4 people into a vehicle of this size is going over the top a little bit. And there you can see the amount of space you've got on the table. Right, so this really is the future, is electric. Yeah, have a look at this one here. This one though, there's the price, so you know it is 90,000. Oh, sorry, 100,000. This is what it looks like in the diesel version. There you go, just the same, no different. The only difference is cost 30,000 more for an electric one. Cassette toilet, just the same as in a normal vehicle. And there you go, CO2 neutral. It's only CO2 neutral, of course, is if the electric comes from CO2 neutral source. If it comes from burning coal, then it won't be CO2 neutral. If it comes from the sun, that'll be. Now, one thing you can't do, and I must make this very clear, is you can't cover the thing in solar panel. You can cover it in solar panels, yeah, no problem with that. But it's not going to generate a great deal of energy. It'll generate enough for all the stuff you've got inside, except for the motor. So the motor itself requires a lot of power. Nonetheless, if you covered it in solar panels, it might get you out of trouble. It might be enough to release the handbrake and go down a hill to the next charging point. Death Lefts brought out a vehicle in, I think it was 2018 it was. And that was covered in solar panels. I mean, the idea of that was these solar panels were doing the stuff inside, such as the fridge and whatever else. I mean, mine, I've got solar panels on the roof, and that does the fridge and everything else inside, and my computer on all the time. But the electricity can, as technology stands at the moment, technology cannot heat the motorhome inside, that or the camper van. We have one company producing an electric motorhome. The motor, the engine, if you like, the motor is electric, yes, but the heating, even the fridge works off gas, and the what's the other one? You've got the and the hob works off gas as well. So I'd like that all to be borne in mind. To my way of thinking, there should be a diesel heating or something of that nature, because we do here in Europe, Northern Europe, at that. We need heating in our vehicles in winter. Anyway, for the moment, thanks so much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. I upload every day at 21:15, and so it's the largest selection of motorhomes and campervans on YouTube. So if you're interested in that type of thing, you'll want to subscribe, or you possibly want to subscribe. Maybe you won't want to, and if you don't want to, that's a pity. But never mind, that's the way it is. So thanks very much for being with me, and bye for now.